Hey guys, this is Derek, and I just want to do something cool for you guys. So I'm going to detonate this TNT, and let's do this. Oh crap! All of them didn't. Oh well. Oh crap. Oh yeah. Forgot to mention, this goes all the way down to bedrock. Oh, hey, mineshaft. Ah, what do you know? Only thing that can make this better would be better. I think we're gonna find better from this, though. That's what bums me. Butter! Oh my god, it's a miracle, guys! It's a miracle! It's a miracle! Oh my glob! Oh my glob! It's so beautiful! Gonna say you butter. Okay.